Always tracking, always alerting. Storm Team 8.
And good evening, West Michigan. We continue to track mostly dry conditions for really the northern half of the area, but scattered showers and even a few thunderstorms continue to fire up near and south of that I-94 corridor. You'll notice off to the east side of the state, that's where we see most of that lightning and those thunderstorms continuing to target. We will just have really a couple scattered showers as we move into our later evening and overnight. For the time being, most of that rain really coating portions of Kalamazoo, Van Buren, and portions of Allegan County now as well. Otherwise, that low pressure system continues to circulate overhead, tracking off to the east. It's also why we lost the sunshine today. Tonight, low temperatures will take a dive to the low to mid 40s across the board. Most of us will be dry by about midnight, so this isn't going to continue as we move into the weekend. In fact, the weekend looking pretty gorgeous for us. There's those remaining showers 11 o'clock tonight as we move into your Saturday morning. Really the one thing to watch out for are those winds. It will be a touch breezy as those winds come from the north at about 10 to 20 miles per hour. Otherwise, some sunshine into the afternoon and some sunshine as we build into Sunday. Notably cooler, though. Your temperatures take a bit of a dive to the low 60s for highs Sunday, the warmer of the 2-day. And as we look towards early next week, yet another change. Those temperatures will warm quickly back to the low to mid 70s. And sometimes when we see that quick uptick in temperature, it can be the fuel for thunderstorms, and that very well could be the case for us. If we are to see thunderstorms, likely going to be late on Monday, carrying into Tuesday, as we continue to see this cold front track across portions of the Midwest. The severe potential is there, but it's just that potential. As we get a little bit closer to this time frame, we'll talk more specifics on timing and threat, but for the time being, just something to keep in mind. Storm Prediction Center putting us on the eastern edge of that severe threat for Monday. Right now, it's a probability rather than categorical. Again, once we fall into that 1 to 3 day range, we'll start to see those categories 1 to 5 pop up. Into Tuesday, and again, if this is an overnight system, a little bit tricky timing-wise, we're once again in that 15% threat for far southern lower Michigan. Again, it looks like damaging wind could be the main threat for us, but a little bit too soon to talk specifics. Again, we'll keep a close eye on it as we move towards the weekend. And a really gorgeous forecast again this weekend. Sunshine for Saturday and Sunday afternoon, highs in the low 60s. Monday and Tuesday, the warmest of your 8-day forecast, and then we'll level out in the low 60s by the end of the week with a couple scattered rain chances building on Thursday and Friday.